What are you doing? What's the matter? Are you mad at me?
Say hi. Look at this little kitten. Hey. Oh, did she say hi?
The most beautiful girl in the room.
You?
Getting ready for the day. Can you say bonjour?
How do you pronounce this? Oh.
Should I eat healthy tonight? No, I didn't think so.
Mikey, what are you doing? Nothing?
Hi. Are you guys hungry?
What mama got? What mama got? What mama got?
Six.